Hey, I'm Adam, a freelance marketing expert. Welcome to Fiverr's product release. I know, normally CEOs present these sort of events, but Fiverr decided to let community members like me take the lead this time. After all, who knows Fiverr better than we do? I'm excited to introduce Fiverr's new consulting category, where experts help businesses work with confidence and achieve their goals. This is done by hiring professional consultants to provide specialized guidance on major business topics across various industries.
Hi, I'm Mercedes from SLTC, a digital marketing agency that offers its services on Fiverr. I'm excited to be a part of this product release and present Fiverr Agencies, which was built to meet the unique needs of established teams like ours. Now, agencies can showcase their services, teams, and expertise on a dedicated agency profile. Potential clients can find us with unique listing cards, an agency-only search filter, and agency listings in popular categories.
I'm Jenny, a voiceover artist. As a freelancer, I love having control over my career. And now Fiverr is making it easier than ever by improving the level system, ratings, and reviews for better transparency. These enhancements will provide freelancers like me with access to powerful tools for growing our business.
Thanks for watching. And from a marketing expert point of view, it was a really great idea to put all of us up front.
To learn about these updates and more, visit the Fiverr Product Release Hub.